Hi there, my lovelies. Today we're going to swim at Swarkeston Bridge. On the full moon is the worm moon, apparently. We're going to swim on the Trent, just up from the bridge. And here we go, bridge now. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but just over here is the river. Just over that bridge. You might be able to see it. Wow, it's in full flood. So I know a nice little spot. Just down the road. Just down the road. There's a nice little shelf. See that? And I'll just do a little bit of a dip. That's all it's going to be. A little bit early before the moon. Don't want to get too dark because it looks a bit rubbish in the film. So the moon actually just come up quite early tonight. Let's do that. See you later. Alright, my lovelies. So we are at Swarkeston. And more famously, Swarkeston Bridge. And see, it goes over there. It's a myth has it that bridge was first originally built because of two Belmont sisters built it. All of their money went into building a bridge there. When they died, they were penniless. Why were they penniless? Oh, and also, they both were buried in one grave. The reason was, they both had a fiance. And there was about to be a celebration about their engagement. But the two men had to go and see the Baron about work. On the way back, the river, like today, was really high and running really fast. As a by note, I won't swim in that, it's too fast. Going up there, it's a bit safer. Anyway, story has it, two eager men wanted to cross the road, cross the river on their horseback to see their fiancés, the two sisters. They started out that end and they come across, but the current was that strong, they were on horseback and it whooshed them away. And they both died. They both died, perished. The two sisters, as I said before, saved all their money, but they never married. They were widows. Well, even widows, were they? Spinsters. I think that's a word they used to use years ago. And that's why. That's the rumour. And obviously, apparently, there is a ghost. Other ghosts you can hear around here are horses on horseback going really, really fast on the run up. Why, you may ask? Well, that bridge there, Swarkeston Bridge, is the most southerly point Bonnie Prince Charlie got to when he was trying to claim his kingdom. He went from there, he heard there was loads of people coming, so he dashed to Derby and then retreated back up to Scotland, where he had the last battle of Culloden. That's it. We know what happened after that. He then escaped to France, died, fat, drunk, very bitter, apparently. And apparently lost his beautiful looks as his bonny boy. So I think that's all the fascinating facts I know about this place. What I will say is that we're going to cross the bridge. There's a pub there, beautiful pub. Walk along there, long. Just keep going about half a mile. This is a really, really good spot actually. Let me just show you. Probably show you this in the summer, but the spot we're going to today, safe, it's flat. It's on the bend of a river, so there's not much current. What you can do, you can swoosh all the way down the River Trent and come out just here get out, and then have a little picnic here. That's what I do. Yeah, had some lovely times here. I recommend everybody come here. Fishermen are here though, so you need to be friendly with them. Right, let's go and get it. Oh, gonna wait a little bit till it gets a bit darker. It is a bit, what's the word I'm looking for? It is a bit cloudy. I don't think we can see the moon, but it's not going to stop us, is it? No, it's not. So it's lovely you're here today to join me on the moon swim. Tell you all about it later. So that's the pub. Come over the bridge. That's the first left. Walk down this lovely little road. The pub itself. Has some good ales. Food's good as well actually. Not eat there often. Let's go down this beautiful little lane. Keep walking down. There's a public footpath. Take the left and it brings you along the river. Look at that magnolia tree. Isn't it beautiful? So you come down here. Follow that sign, look. That looks like somebody's drive. But believe it or not, just keep walking down here. We go to the left. You'll see the style. Through the gate, please shut. Highway codes and all that. And that thing you see, just through there, this river, and we turn right. So come down the path. That's the opening. There is the River Trent, nice and swollen, as I said before. Just over there is where we're parked. There's the river. And here, look, you see the path? All the way up to, whoa, the Weeping Willow. I do like this as a spot to come swimming. I do remember where the pub is down that little road. A friend of mine, well, yeah, somebody I know, you know, came down there with his truck, with his boat on the back. And by this time, he's pretty flustered anyway. He had the best day. Now look, come on. He had the best day. He goes diving down there. He went to the wrong turning. But he knows best. He knows best. So we had to turn around. There's a big sign up saying, no turning in my garden. That's what he did. So the bloke came out and he had a blazing row with him. Yeah. So, if you ignore people's signs, what's going to happen? So some people, even when it's blatantly obvious to the whole wide world, in their little world, they're right. What can you do? What can you do? Spoil it for themselves, really. Spoil it for themselves. Think of the bigger picture. But no, I've been here, I've had picnics. Sometimes like make some food, have that on the corner. It's just lovely, isn't it? Walking through here. Another little gate look, up there, follow it round, and let's go swimming. Right, okay. Yet again, the river is looking quite high. Higher than I've seen it before. Where I'm walking now is normally full of reeds. And they're weeds. So I just hope it's going to be alright. As I said before, we're coming up to the next load of trees. Yeah? And we want to be just down there, in there. Come on. Oh, wrong way there. Let's go check it out. So we just carry on walking around the bend and you come to this magnificent tree here. When you get to there, you go on to the next load of trees there and we dip down into it, which you'll see in a minute. So when you get to that row of trees, basically blocking your path a little bit, you just come to here. I'll bring it around to you. Just around here, look. I don't know if you can see that. So if you imagine this in the summer, all of this is all quite dry. You can see people are still coming in. There's no sheep or anything. That's people still swimming here. It's on the bends, but also there's hundreds of lilies. Quite beautiful. Right, it's only mid-dip, so let's just wait. It's getting dark now. Now then, I think the moon, unfortunately, is going to be over there. So we might see it when we're in the river. Fingers crossed. So we're going to do another moon swim, and this month is the worm moon. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll see it today, but we'll see. Probably not. So the worm swim is just after the equinox, which I missed for a swim. Oh, it's when all the animals that have been hibernating over winter come out. Oh. It's a little bit muddy. And they come out and they do their thing for the rest of the year. Things like, obviously, worms, grubs, any of the other animals. Oh, of course, hedgehogs. That's one we all know, isn't it? Perhaps like in the good old days. Well, if you still can actually. People used to have tortoises. They used to go to hibernation, didn't they? I don't know if they did it in central eating houses, but I haven't seen them hibernating in the zoos. Ah, right, it's going to be a dip. Let's just do it. So I've got some new shorts on today. What do you think? Right, let me be quick. Let's go in. As ever, let's bloody have it. I'll be honest, a little bit nervous today. Woo. No. Oh my god, it's so muddy. See that? There's a shelf here. Oh, look. Don't fall over. Happy worm swim. Right, let's get warm. Started to rain. Even though it's getting dark, I still can't see. I can't see the moon. It's so fucking cloudy. Can't even hear the aeroplanes that are going over. It's just muffled here. Oh, I'm getting that hot rush now. Just in time for the dry run. sensible today. These bloody zips. You know, like when you got really cold hands. It can be a nightmare. It's a good reason not to come on your own. Not to come on your own. So another great swim. I'm not seeing the moon. But I don't know if that's not the point, is it? Anyway. Oh, yeah, again. It's made me very happy. It never dies. It never dies. Oh, so you should come. You should do it. Look, I don't think it's very sensible, really, to swim on your own. I ain't the most successful swimmer, but I did know when I went there, it's really there's no current. There's current on the outside going up 10 to dozen. Kept out there, that's why I was only there for a little bit. Anyway, yet again, if you want to ask me any questions, DM me. And obviously here there'll be a video, and here to subscribe. It may be the other way around. After all this time, I should know really. But look. See you later. Au revoir.